We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, dual rear wheels, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.